Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am filming what I got from my Valentine, which is of course my boyfriend, Zach. If you haven't seen him, he's in a lot of my vlogs. So if you've watched my channel for a while, you probably know that I got spoiled. I didn't need all of this, and it's certainly not bragging. It's just kind of sharing because I love Valentine's Day. I know it's cheesy and I know it's commercial. A lot of people don't like it, but I love it because I love all of the cute things that you can get around that time of the year. So I'm going to jump in. First, I'm going to show you guys, I got like a few cute little silly things for Valentine's Day, and then we went and did a little bit of shopping, and needless to say it was too much and I got spoiled. But let's jump right in and I'm going to show you guys everything I got for Valentine's Day. So first I got this really cute, it's like a stuffed animal, or you could use this as a pillow too, which is probably what I'll do, just kind of cuddle with it on the couch. But it's a big chocolate covered strawberry. It's got your stem and all. So cute, looks like she's sleeping. Little seeds and chocolate, how adorable. And then the back is just red, so you could definitely cozy up with this. It's very soft and plush, and yeah, I love it. It's very, very cute, and it's definitely something I would pick out. Next thing is he got me the stuffed red panda, which I do love red pandas. I think he forgot that I have one very, very similar to this, so we'll bypass that part. But very, very cute, sweet little face. I love stuffed animals. I know they're silly, and yeah, I don't know, but I'm obsessed with them, and it's definitely cute. This one's a little furrier than what I've had in the past. The other one I got from the zoo in Pittsburgh. Right before we moved away from Pennsylvania, we went to the zoo, and I got a couple things just kind of to remember it by. So this is another red panda. Next, he got me this little mug with an animal in it, and it says me plus you equals no problema, and it's a kind of weird looking llama, but it's really cute. It's pink, and you guys know I'm obsessed with coffee mugs. And then the little animal, she pops out, she's a little llama, and that came in this little cute bag, which is glittery. Got me another coffee mug, says give me coffee and tell me I'm pretty, and yes, that is perfect for me. Of course, another coffee mug, which I love, and yes, I need my coffee every day. I've got some little Reese's eggs in there. I've got some other candies in the bottom, some Hershey Kisses, Reese's cups. There was this card. It says, I love you this much. Ugh. It's really adorable. Now onto the shopping that we did. We went to Lush and Bath & Body Works. So we went to Lush first. I'm gonna pull out my book that I got. I'll know a couple of them, but then I got some new things too. I got a Butterball. Definitely one of my favorite bath bombs. And this one's not super huge. It's also a lesser expensive one, but one of my favorites. It's just like a lighter, sweeter scent, which is definitely right up my alley. They gave us a couple of samples too, and she was like, this one's for you, and handed it to Zach, and she was like, you have to use this. He's like, oh, okay. But this is sea vegetable soap. I don't know about that one. And she gave me a sample of Sleepy Lotion, which I'm actually really excited to try out, because usually I only get bath bombs. I've gotten a couple bubble bars. That smells nice. It smells like lavender and cotton candy. This one is the Marmalade Jelly Balm. I've not gotten one of these before. This one says, liven up your bath with this deliciously fruity balm that'll leave your skin soft and sweetly scented. Guess I like that one. It's got that, they all have that Lush scent, but this one has like a little sweet, almost citrusy. I also got a Yellow Submarine. This is definitely one of my favorites as well. And then I got a pink. This one says it's vanilla, and it also looks like it's got some glitter in there. I love that one. I tend to get Dragon's Egg and Sakura mix up, so I had to look at this. This is Dragon's Egg. I think I have one of these right now, but I definitely wanted a backup. And it says this one's Bergamot and Popping Candy. I love that one. This one is the Secret Arts Jelly Balm. It says this one's Orange, Cinnamon, and Almond. Yes, I love almond and I love cinnamon so much, so yes, I'm so excited to use that one. I almost feel like I should have got a backup of that because I feel like I'm gonna love it. And the last thing was this little, these were limited edition. They're little like leaf things that you can use. Oh, let me turn it around. So it's like a lips. So cute. It has like a light kind of fruity scent. And this, she said, you can use it to wash your hands with, you can shampoo your hair with it, use it on your body, you can use it anywhere. And she also said they're made to like travel too, so you can stick this in your wallet, and then like if you go somewhere and you're in desperate need of hand soap, you have one. They're kind of pricey for a one-time use, but Zach was like, yes, she needs one of those. So on to this big Bath & Body Works bag. Candles were $12.95 and bath products were buy 3 get 3. I only found like 4 body products that I wanted, so he actually picked up for himself the Noir men's collection. This was the scent that I liked the most, so he wanted to just go with that. And also got the deodorizing body spray. So he's got a wash and like an after scent. It's definitely like a cologne scent. Like you could find something like this that smells like Axe or something like that. But I love the Noir. And then for me, I liked a couple of their summer things. So I got at the beach, I got the Shea and Vitamin E shower gel and the super smooth 24-hour moisture body lotion with shea butter and coconut oil. I love the packaging. It's simplistic but really, really cute. And I love in the summer something that smells beachy. I might have to get more of this before the season's over. I said I didn't need any like bath products, but oh, I couldn't resist because they smelled so, so good. And then I got In the Sun, and those are the same 2 products, the shower gel with coconut oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, and the lotion with the same ingredients. So lightweight moisture is what it says. And this one, I want to say, and this one's got that sunscreen smell. I know not everybody loves that, but I do. It smells so good. It kind of smells like Bobbi Brown beach perfume, if you've ever smelled that, or even like the replica beach walk that has that kind of scent, like truly sunscreen at the beach. Definitely brings like memories to mind, and I can't wait to use these. So I got 4 candles. The first one, I love these packagings. It's got the marble lid and the copper. So this one is copper coconut. Like smell that. Yes. Oh my god, it smells so good. So that just smells like straight up coconut. I love it so much. I needed it, and yes, the lid too, just that got me so, so pretty. And I think you could definitely take this off and use this somewhere as something after you burn the candle. I had another one that I like. This one is gold with the marble top, and this one is praline pecan. I don't know how to describe this. Let's see what it says. It says southern pecans, of course, sparkling cinnamon sugar, and warm caramel. And it's not very cinnamon. Like, the cinnamon's very, very light, so it mostly is just like caramel and pecans. Warm and decadent, and oh, I need this. I need like 4 more of these. I also got Georgia Peach in this really cute like ombre kind of a glass. This would be cute afterwards to like put makeup brushes or something in. Juicy Peaches, Dew Covered Leaves, and hint of vanilla. I can say that because it's like, it's peach with a little sweet. It's like peach ice cream. Oh, and I need some peach ice cream right now. And then finally, this one, I had to get another Black Cherry Merlot because I felt like I really, really needed this in my life. I have one already, but this may be one of my very favorite candles of all time. It's just like, it's so cherry. It's just cherry, but then a little dark. That makes sense. It smells not like super bright fruity, but just cherry and deeper. And did I just act that out with my body? I think I did. If you haven't seen it already, I will link my candle collection video because I did a video showing all of my Bath & Body Works candles too, which of course now I've added 4 more to my giant collection, so I have way too many. That is everything that I got from my Valentine. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. Let me know if you got anything really good for Valentine's Day or what your thoughts are. I love everything that I got. I got super spoiled. I did not need all this, but I am very grateful. He did a great job. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely be sure to check out my candle collection, and I have a giveaway going on right now, which I will link below. Just check it. It's right there. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.